palm trees, tiki torches, the sound of water. Is the Disney's Polynesian Resort the most relaxing at Disney World? Or is it a little too expensive? Let's find out. I'm Lee
And Lee
with All About the Duck.
Today we're taking a look around Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, one of the most iconic places you can stay at Walt Disney World. We'll explore the resort and show you what rooms are like, so you can decide if it's worth it.
Let's do it. Honestly, one of the biggest reasons people love the Polynesian is the atmosphere.
Yeah, it really does feel like you've stepped into a tropical getaway, and you're still right in the middle of Walt Disney World.
And this right here, this is the Great Ceremonial House.
The vibe hits you immediately when you walk in.
It really does. This is basically the heart of the Polynesian.
Yeah, you've got everything right here: dining, shopping, lounges.
And the monorail station is just upstairs, which is super convenient. Now, one thing you'll notice pretty quickly, this resort is big.
Yeah, from one end to the other, it is spread out.
And it's divided into different buildings called houses, all named after Polynesian islands.
We actually stayed at the Moorea section.
Yeah, and that was interesting because it was actually closer to the Ticket and Transportation Center than it was the Great Ceremonial House.
So it was actually easier to walk to the TTC to catch the monorail and the ferry. And one of the coolest things about being out here on the beach is the view straight across the water.
Yeah, you're looking right out at the Polynesian bungalows.
And they're just sitting out there over the water. It really adds to that island feel.
But right behind them, you've got a clear view of Magic Kingdom.
And that's what makes this spot so unique. You get that relaxing tropical view with Cinderella Castle off in the distance.
Especially at night. It's it all lights up and it's just really cool contrast.
It's one of those views that just makes you stop for a minute and take it all in.
One of the really special things about the Polynesian is the beach along Seven Seas Lagoon.
The views out here are incredible, day or night. And this is such a great spot to just relax.
or even just to watch the Magic Kingdom fireworks at night.
Yeah, and you've got options too. You can sit near the main area where they pipe in the music from the park.
Or find a quieter, more secluded spot along the beach for your own little view.
This is the lava pool, probably the most recognizable pool at the Polynesian. And for good reason. It's a zero entry pool, so you can just walk right in.
And as you can see, All About the Duck officially endorses it because it's definitely duck friendly.
You've you've also got the waterfall and water slide here, which is really cool.
And there's a hot tub too, which is perfect after a long park day.
And if this one feels a little busy, there are two other pools around the resort if you're looking for something a little quieter.
And right out here, you've got the Marina.
Yes, and this is one of those spots that just adds to the whole Polynesian vibe.
You can walk along the water, take in the views of the Seven Seas Lagoon, and is just a really peaceful area to slow things down for a bit.
But it's not just for looks. You can actually rent boats from here.
Yeah, if you want to get out on the water, it's a really fun way to see Disney from a completely different point of view.
And you can also catch a water taxi from here over to Magic Kingdom, which is such a cool way to get to the park. Way more relaxing than a bus.
And honestly, just being out here, it feels like a little escape from the parks. All right, let's take a look at one of the rooms here at the Polynesian.
And see what you can actually get when you stay here.
Rooms have really nice tropical feel with some Moana-inspired details mixed in.
The bathrooms are nicely updated, and a lot of them have both separate shower and a tub.
The deluxe studio we stayed in had a queen bed and a queen pull down.
It also has a bonus pull down single bed, which is great if you're traveling with family.
And a lot of the rooms also come with a balcony or patio, which is perfect for winding down at the end of the day.
And this is something a lot of people don't think about, but it can really come in handy: the laundry facilities.
Especially if you're here for a longer trip.
Yeah, or if you've been through a couple of those hot, sweaty park days.
They've got self-service laundry areas around the resort that are totally free.
So you don't have to overpack or bring everything home dirty.
Honestly, it's one of those little things you don't think of you'll use, but when you need it, you're really glad it's here.
Hey, aloha from the Poly. Wonderful stay.
Had a great time.
Definitely. Loved it.
We'll have to do it again. So guys, that's a wrap on the Polynesian. We had a great 4-night stay here, 5 days. I have to admit, this is one of my bucket list resorts, and it definitely measured up to what I thought. What did you think, Lee?
I love the fact that you are on the monorail. The room we stayed in was spacious. The beds were very comfortable.
But I mean, we were staying kind of far out in the Moorea location, so it was actually quicker for us to go to Ticket and Transportation Center for a lot of our transportation to the parks. So that was a little weird. So we didn't do the ceremonial house that much. So unless we had to go get something to eat or things like that. But at the same token, the amenities at this location are amazing. The pool was great.
The pool was great. And the atmosphere.
Yeah, just
here,
walking the
I mean,
grounds was
just chilling out in the hotel room, coming to the house here, the, what do you call it, ceremonial house. Coming to the ceremonial house and just hanging out. It's the vibe, like you said, it's just very relaxing. I don't feel like I'm in Disney World. Yes, there's Mickey things,
everywhere.
All over, but you just feel like you're escaping. It's a nice escape.
The food was amazing.
Yes.
We did Kona Cafe for breakfast. We did Tambu Lounge one night. Captain Cook's. We kind of sampled just about everything but Ohana's, but we've been to Ohana's many times, so that really didn't matter. But definitely is a great place to stay.
Great vibe.
If
so
you've
relaxing.
stayed here before, let us know in the comments and let us know what you thought of it. And as always,
see you real soon.